Imagine a device that seamlessly blended traditional note-taking with advanced AI compatibilities. But today we're going to jump into that exact product. This is the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2, which is the future of digital note-taking. So let's start off with some of the advanced note-taking features. This has real-time voice-to-text transcriptions, which effortlessly records meetings and converts speech into text with remarkable accuracy. This feature simplifies capturing detailed meeting minutes and ensures you never miss any critical information. But if you prefer to write by hand, this also has impeccable handwriting recognition. The AINOTE Air 2 allows you to handwrite notes, which are then automatically converted into editable and searchable text, combining the familiarity of penmanship with digital convenience. And with this supporting up to 14 languages for transcription, 7 languages in translation, and over 80 languages for handwriting to text, this device caters to a global audience, making it ideal for international professionals and students. Now, when it comes down to the immersive paper-like experience, the 8.2-inch HD e-ink display experiences a natural writing feel of a high-definition e-ink screen that mimics the texture of paper, providing a more comfortable and immersive note-taking experience. With its ultra-low latency, this device ensures that your handwriting appears instantly on the screen, closely replicating the immediacy of writing on paper. Now, when it comes down to the enhanced productivity, this has a smart schedule system, enhancing your productivity with features like drawing a star next to handwritten notes to mark them as important, or circling text to create a to-do list item in your schedule. These intuitive gestures streamline your workflow and keep you organized. Also, while having the smart task alerts, so you can stay on top of your commitments with pop-up notifications that remind you of upcoming tasks, ensuring you never miss a deadline. And not only does it have all that, it also has streamless cloud integration, allowing cloud sync, so you can securely synchronize your notes across a device using the AINOTE mobile app, allowing you to access your information anytime, anywhere. This feature ensures that your notes are backed up and always available. And you also don't have to worry if you're out of range of any Wi-Fi. This works offline. This device also comes with custom note templates, so you can actually choose from a variety of customizable note templates tailored to fit your unique needs and styles, enhancing your note-taking experience. And with the 4 pen options, you can select from a brush, pencil, fountain pen, and ballpoint pen to personalize your writing experience, making digital note-taking feel more natural to you. Now, when it comes down to the actual powerhouse inside this thing, it is robust, being equipped with a quad-core 1.8 GHz processor, 4 GB RAM, and 32 GB of storage. The AINOTE Air 2 ensures smooth performance and ample space for all your notes and documents, and also while having that long-last battery of 2,600 milliamps, providing extended usage times, allowing you to work uninterrupted throughout the day. Now, I've been using this over the last couple of months and I've absolutely loved it. I've gone from actually using notebooks and notepads to just using this directly. But the best feature that I've actually found about the AINOTE Air 2 is the fact it has a dock scan with a 5 megapixel camera on the back. So if I'm ever in need of having to sign a contract, I can take a photo on the AINOTE Air 2 and instantly have it signed and sent over through email. Now, they haven't mentioned this on the website, but they've added a couple of upgrades in a previous update, which now allows you to have Google Play, so you can actually download other apps through the Google Play Store. And there's a few other features that I'd like to touch on just before we get to the conclusion, and that is the stylus itself. This comes with a built-in eraser, no charging required whatsoever, the 4 different pen styluses like we mentioned before, precise responsiveness, and having that lightweight comfortability. This thing has been a godsend when I've been using it. Compared to using an Apple Pencil, this feels so much more natural. But I will mention the nibs are made out of felt, so be careful if you have young children around. If they push them too much, they will get dented. I did actually go out and buy some new ones just to cover myself, and for the price, it was well worth it. Another feature that I found is the smart quick bar, allowing fast page flipping and also sticky notes. So while you are reading, you can quickly flip through pages and also use your sticky note app if you want to take notes while reading through a book or some documents that you need to jot down some ideas or some changes you'd like to make in the future. Now, this is a ultra slim metal design. It is crafted with a smooth, durable metal body, and it's super thin at only 0.2 inches, which not only offers strength but also portable comfortability. The device also has EMR technology and palm rejection, so while you are trying to write on the pad, you can comfortably rest your palm on the screen while writing. And the stylus also has over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. And some other specs that have not been mentioned are the 4 microphones and the 1 speaker, so when you are in a meeting and you are using that AI technology to capture the sounds. It will pick up everyone in the room, and then when it does transcribe, it can put it in bullet points of who was saying what. The screen is a 293 ppi e-ink screen. Now, it's not one of the fastest, but it does the job really well. This does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and 24 levels of warm and cold light. Again, I will mention the 5 megapixel camera on the back for doc scan, and the formats supported are PDF, EPUB, text, MOBI, AZW3, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, JPEG, JPG, and PNG. And with the stylus, you may have heard of the company before. It's actually a stylus from the Wacom series. And from personal experience, they're definitely one of the best. And the resolution of the screen is at 1440 by 1920. And again, this is the 8.2 inch HD e-ink display. So now we've got all the specs out of the way, let's go over the conclusion of the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. Now, this is more than just a digital notebook. This is a comprehensive tool designed to enhance productivity through the advanced AI features and seamless integration of traditional and digital note-taking methods. Now, whether you are a professional or a student or even a creative thinker, I believe that AINOTE Air 2 is poised to become an indispensable part of your daily routine. For me, I use it every single day, and I love all the little quirky features that you get in this, with it allowing you to even use Gmail on this, and not even being a note taker or a calendar or a schedule. It also has the features of a Kindle, so if you want to read some of your favorite books, this can do that too. And another quirky feature that I find just really tops this off for me is that little fingerprint scanner at the top that allows you to log in. But anyway, that is going to be today's video of me just going over the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. There'll be more videos coming out in the future with this product to give you the best overall experience with this, and also bringing out more updates along the way when they also update and add new features. But I'd love to know your thoughts on how the iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 could fit in your workflow. Leave them in the comments below, and if you did find this review helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more in-depth tech insights. But other than that, my name's Callum. Capture, create, captivate, and I will see you all in the next video.